Hi guys, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Fluffy the unicorn, so let's get started. To draw Fluffy, we're going to first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to start with the circle. Then come across about right here, and I'm going to draw the other circle. So I'm just going to give myself a point right here, about here, and draw another circle. There. So I'm just giving myself a nice little space right here so to put the horn. So you don't want it too close. Then let's make these circles draw say cute eyes. I'm going to come in here with two smaller circles at an angle and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom, and so same thing over here. Okay, so now I have the circles, then let's come to the center just a little bit above, and I'm just going to draw a curve for the bottom of my horn. Say something about that. And then I'm going to find my center, go up about this much, and I'm just going to draw two angle lines towards my point. Round it off at the top and bring it right back down. There. And then I'm going to come in here with some details. So I'm just going to draw some curves to give our horn some dimension. And then from there we can draw the head. So I'm going to come about right here from the horn and just draw a curve that comes really close to that eye. So we're going to come down with a curve, kind of touching the eye. So same thing on this side, about right there. Bring it all the way down. And let's bring this curve down. Looks really weird right now, huh? Looks like something's upside down. It's all gonna come together. Okay, let's drag this curve down a little bit more since it's a pretty long face. And let's keep going. Okay, so about right there, I'm gonna stop and I'm just gonna come to the center about right here. I'm just gonna give myself a point. And from there, this is where I'm going to be drawing my curve up to. So to separate the top of the head with the nostril area, muzzle area. So about right here, I'm just going to go up towards my point and bring another curve down. You don't have to put the point, it just gives me an idea of where to put it. Okay, so then from there, I'm just going to bring this down more. And I'm widening it out as I go down. And let's see here, but right there, I'm going to start to bring it together and connect it. There, finally got the head in. Okay, so now let's try to make some sense out of it. I'm gonna come right here towards the bottom and give myself a little curve on both sides. And I'm going to draw a curve really close to the bottom edge. So it's just going to kind of peek out from the bottom. And then right here in the center, I'm just going to draw a little tongue and a little center line. Makes a little bit more sense now, right? And now this nostrils. So I'm going to just give myself 2 points. I'm going to center these 2 points, say about right there. And from there, I'm going to draw 2 angle lines. So it just makes it a little bit easier. Like that. And then I'm going to bring this one down. This one goes up, but won't touch. And then it comes in. And one more. So it's just a little bit easier way to draw it. So I'm just going to come right across, about right there. And bring this down. So I'll drag a point right here. Okay, so then same thing, we're going to come down. So it's as if we're drawing a box at an angle. We go up, go in, and down. There, so we have his nostrils in. And then now the ears. I'm gonna come right about right here where the eyes are, and gonna just pop out a little ear and curve it in. And draw the inside of the ear. So same thing on this side, just drag a point across, go up, right there, and in, and the inside. There, it finally looks correct, right? It doesn't look weird anymore. Okay, let's fix our head right here to round it off a little bit. There. Now for the hair, the mane in this area. So I'm just going to come in here and zigzag some strands. Just kind of like drawing some grass. Okay, so maybe one bigger one here and one more. To draw the body, we're going to start about right here. I'm going to draw a curve down. So I'm just going to center the head. So about right there. 2 curves, and I'll bring this down about that much. And we're going to come in here and draw a curve. And we're going to end about the same level as this side. And then in between, we're going to draw an oval. So just kind of connect it with an oval. And so same thing over here. So about that much. And then connect it, and once again just going to drag a point, make sure about the same level, and draw an oval. Oops, there. And then let's draw the little body, the belly area. So I'm going to come in here and just draw a big curve all the way around, all the way down, and connect it. There, I got the belly in, and then the legs. So I'm going to come in here. Thank goodness it's a stuffed animal, so it's very simple, nothing fancy for the legs. Makes it a lot easier to draw. And one more for the legs. So same thing over here. Just curve it out, and same thing here. Connect it, and the hoof. And because it is a Draw So Cute Fluffy, of course, we're going to add a little heart right here to finish it off. So there, my fluffy unicorn from Despicable Me. Hope you guys love how it turned out, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.